Hello friends, let's make squid masala today. Heat the kadai or pan, add little bit of oil, heat it well. Cut your onion in a sliced manner, separate them. Now you can add all these onions to the heated oil in the kadai. Add all of them. Just mix them well. Basically we'll have to roast the onion here. Mix and roast really well. Roast the onion until the color turns light brown. Do it on a slow flame, otherwise the onions will turn dark brown really quickly. Take dry coconut, grate it, and this grated dry coconut or copra you have to add to the onions. Now we have to remember to keep the flame slow, really slow, otherwise it will burn. So mix it well. Take akha garam masala, few shown here. Use whatever you have at home and then add it to this mixture. It just gives nice aroma to the mixture. Keep mixing it until it is like blended in the masala. We'll have to keep mixing, otherwise one side will burn. So do it on a slow flame really nicely. After roasting, ensure that it is cooled down and then take it down in the mixie. Add coriander to the same mixture. Then you add garlic cloves. I think 4 or 5 should be good. Add ginger as well. Add 1 green chili to this mixture. Add water if needed, and we have to grind this really well until it turns out into a smooth paste like this one. Have chopped onions, crushed garlic and curry leaves ready. Heat cooker. Add oil into it. Heat the oil also properly in the cooker. Add crushed garlic into the hot oil. Add curry leaves as well. We'll have to mix it properly. You will get nice aroma out of the whole tadka that we are doing. Now add chopped onions to this, and this also will have to mix with the tadka. Now it's time to add the green paste that we made some time back. I'm just adding what we need. Here I'm adding 2-3 tablespoons. I think that should be enough. Mixing it well with the oil and the tadka. I'm doing it on high flame right now. You can see the nice vapors forming here. I will have to mix really well, and after some time I think we'll have to lower the flame. Now it's time to add all the masalas to this mixture. I'll start with the turmeric powder. I'm adding half a teaspoon. After that I'm adding 2 types of chili powders I have. I'm adding half tablespoon each, and then coriander seed powder. That's the whole teaspoon that I've added. And I'm mixing all the masalas with the mixture. I'm doing it on slow flame so that the masalas and the mixture doesn't burn. I'll do it for like a minute or 2. I'm chopping 1 potato here. I want to make thin slices out of it, so I'm cutting in half and then further into half and then slicing it little into thin slices. I'm adding these chopped potatoes into the mixture, and then I'll again mix it well. These are the squids marinated in turmeric powder and mirchi powder for half an hour. I'm going to add these marinated squid rings into our masala that we have made. And then again I'm going to mix it well with the squids. So you have to ensure that the masala is coated well over all the squids. So mix it really well. Adding salt to this mixture now as per your taste, and also again mix it. Time to add water to this masala, squid masala that we are making. Mix water also well. And then we'll cover the cooker with the whistle on. We'll cook it for like 5 to 6 minutes. And after 5 to 6 minutes, I'm opening the lid. And what I see is I have a little bit of watery consistency. Let me just check it once. Yeah, looks yummy though. I like my gravy or my masala to be a little thick. So what I'll do, I'll boil it again a little bit more. And I will add at this stage coriander, chopped coriander. And yes, our yummy squid masala is ready.